Here you can see the lace top. I do have a little bit of powder that I always put in my part line. You can see the lace here and the hairline here. I have trimmed the lace back. This did come with probably 2 to 3 inches worth of lace in the front when I received it, but I've been wearing it, so I did trim that lace back. You can see the hairline here. Big area here so you can change your part. I have not tried that yet, but I think this would be really pretty in the side part too. And then you have closed wefting in the back. You have the little adjusters down here if you want to adjust the cap size. And it does have some combs. I don't typically use the combs, but they are there if you like combs. So yeah, really nice big area here with all lace, which is great. And I'm going to aim to put my forehead in here. So the wig is going to be real low on my forehead to start. Like so. and then we're just going to slide her back to my hairline right there. And there you go, gorgeous hair in, what was that, 20 seconds? Can't beat it. So here she is on. So like I said, nice, easy ear tuck, looks super natural, lays super flat. I'll show you from every angle. So here's one side. Here's on the back. You can see that really pretty movement. And then here's from the other side. I also think this would look really pretty in a little pony and even like a half up, half down style. So I think this is a very versatile piece. I think being able to change the part, having such a large area to change the part, the density that it is makes it easy to play with, easy to style. Like I said a million times, the color is stunning. So, so pretty. This is just natural on by a window light. The ear to ear lace, you can see here. So you can either glue this down, or I would probably blend some of my bio hair because my bio hair is a good match to the root color. This is the Perfection style wig, brunette balayage, Remy Human Hair, lace top, lace front in the color chocolate brown. And this is the 14-inch length. Let me know if you have any questions.